Let's talk about sweet treats today. I don't know about you, but I have a huge sweet tooth. And one thing that helps me a lot is baking apples. Now, I'm a big proponent of apples. If you have known me for a long time or just recently got to know me, I say anytime you're hungry, grab an apple. In fact, I tell every woman that I work with that works full time to pack an apple with them and eat it on their way home. Guess what that does? It lets them not be hangry when they get home and not eat dinner as they're making dinner. But on to the baking apples. Here is a quick fall hack, I guess you can say. Get 5-6 apples, chop them up finely. You can bake them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes, or you can cook them in a pan on the stovetop with cinnamon for 10 minutes. And you get, oh my gosh, yummy, yummy sweet apples. You can have them with breakfast, you can have them after lunch. I love to mix them with PB2, powdered peanut butter. Mix the powdered peanut butter with some water or almond milk, and then add that in, and that is a apple peanut butter delicious treat. You can add more cinnamon too. There is a way to satisfy your sweet tooth without breaking the calorie bank. So many times people think it's all or nothing. You have to go and eat the apple pie or apple crisp, or you can't have anything at all. You absolutely can find ways to enjoy things without thinking, oh, I can't believe I ate that, or thinking, okay, I just ate enough calories for a whole day. I promise there are ways you can do it. Just like with my pumpkin spice latte or my hot peppermint mocha or hot cocoa, there are ways to enjoy sweet things and feel satisfied and not guilty afterwards. I hope that helped. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth.